So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I want to talk about how your time is now. If you're interested in a video like that, please keep watching. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I want to talk about the fact that your time is now. So I want to make this a quick video. We'll see, because sometimes I ramble, but we'll see. But if you do not know who I am, my name is Amber Turner, and I am the author of You Choose Your Outfit, with outfit being the metaphor for your experience or your reality. I'm also the CEO of Girl Censored, and Girl Censored is a women's apparel line where we believe in expressing ourselves through fashion. So that means be bold, be loud, and be confident. Yes. And so you can learn more about Girl Censored at girlcensored.com, and you also can learn more about my book and myself at ambermarieturner.com as well. But anyways, let's get down to business. Okay, so something prompted this video. I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm just gonna keep it real. Something did prompt this video for me to say your time is now. Now, with that being said, let me get into it, okay? When it comes to business, when it comes to your career, when it comes to your relationships, this is what I'm finding a pattern for a lot of people, especially women, myself included, because I'm guilty of this too, is that we put off our life. We are waiting for people to give us permission. We are waiting for people to say yes. Okay? Because even some of the goals that I have, that I'm not going to get into it, but I was like, well, this has to happen. This has to be in alignment, and this person has to say yes, and I really want this person, or this, whatever the case is. Even when it comes to relationships, and I see this a lot with women, I'm not immune to this, is that we're waiting for the man to say, give us exclusivity. We're waiting for the man to, not even just like women, but like whatever, relationships. People are like waiting for the other person to be ready. You hear what I'm saying? To be ready to have a relationship. And I think it's important for us to, I'm always talking about taking our power back, but I talk about this in the book, okay? You Choose Your Outfit. And the most powerful word in that title is choose. And I'm really a big proponent for being in control of your life, because you, my friend, are in control of your life. You are the creator, you're the designer of your life. And I say this in the book, you are the designer of your life. And even with that in mind, even if you know that fact, sometimes we get in the pattern of giving that power away. And even though we might consciously say, oh, we are deciding, or we are choosing this, but we're also waiting for things to happen, instead of us taking that power back and say, I don't need to. If you're not ready for a relationship, if you can't give me commitment, if you can't give me exclusivity, then deuces, dude. Deuces. No, for real. Like, I'm getting a little amber right now, but it's true. And we find ourselves in positions where we're just waiting and waiting. We see the vision we have for ourselves. We want to create the life of our dreams. We want to create an incredible life, but we're waiting and waiting and waiting for this person, and waiting for him to say yes, or waiting for them to give us the green light. Uh-oh, my camera. It's good. It's good. But we're waiting for these people to give us the green light. And I'm just saying, I think it's important for us to make the decision ourselves. If someone's like, hey, I'm not sure, guess what? You have to make a decision. If that's what you want to wait and wait, because tomorrow is not promised. Tomorrow is not promised. I've seen too many people waiting, and it never came to fruition because they were waiting. And I live my life, I honestly want to maximize my time on this earth. I think it's important. Life is such a blessing. I am not waiting for this person to say yes, and I'm not waiting for this person to see my worth. I'm not going to wait for someone else to see that I'm worthy of something, that I'm deserving of something, that I am lovable, that I'm this, that, and the other, because I create it. I'm in control. And that's not an ego thing. That's being a powerful person, because you are so powerful. There's no need for us to be waiting for someone to give us permission, someone to make a decision for us to live in our greatness, to create an incredible life for ourselves. Because that's how the universe works. If you want something, if you desire something, it's going to show up. You just got to meet the universe halfway. Don't be waiting around for no one else, something else, or anyone else to give you permission to live in your purpose, to create an incredible life for yourself. The universe will meet you halfway. You know, you just got to take the steps. You got to take the steps towards what you want. Take the steps in choosing your outfit, the outfit that you choose for yourself. So that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, I invite you to subscribe to my channel. I do videos on business, life, and everything in between. I'm also the author of You Choose Your Outfit. If you haven't discovered that in this video, I am. And if you're interested in learning more about that book, I'm gonna leave the link below for that. And also, we have some fun things coming up. We've got some cool projects. A new podcast is in the works. I'm gonna leave a link below for that as well. And Colorado's Grand Talent, we just announced the contestants that will be competing for the show that's going to air July 3rd. So definitely look out for that as well. But anyways, you guys, I hope you're having an amazing Friday so far, and I will check you guys in the next video. Peace.